evening, students.
This call is now being recorded.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma. So we have completed one topic, LP1 from block 4. This is the second LP, right? So now we can read the title of block 4. So just I like to invite Vaishnavi to read it. Yes, Vaishnavi, what's the title of block 4?
Like fraction and adding and subtracting fractions.
Yes, very good. Like fractions, adding and subtracting. So what is like fraction, Jerishwa?
Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator.
Yeah, super, very good. So if the denominator is same in two fractions, we used to say these fractions are like fractions. Very good. So have you know about addition? Are you all familiar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, everyone. Yes, you know addition well, right? What about subtraction? You know well about subtraction also. Yes. So in this blog, we are discussing about like fractions, adding and subtracting. Okay, good, very good. And Rohan, what's the title of LP2?
LP2 adding fraction.
Yes, adding fractions. So specifically in this topic, we are going to discuss about addition, adding fractions. Okay, yeah, very good, Rohan. And next, Kirtana, what's the aim of today's class, Kirtana?
The aim is adding fraction with the same denominator.
Yeah, very good, Kirtana. So since it is like fraction, the denominator will be same, right? As Jerishwa said. So we are going to add that fractions. Okay, good, dear, good. So just note down the title of block 4 and LP2.
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, good. Vaishnavi, Jerishwa, yes, Kirtana completed. Good, dear. So Dilshit. Okay, write it.
Completed, ma'am.
Dilshit and Kim. Okay, write it fast. So those couldn't complete, please make it fast. And Kirtana, you can mute your mic now.
Okay, ma'am.
Just note down the title of block 4 and LP2. So this is adding fractions. So we are going to add fractions with same denominator. Is anyone writing? Dilshit, Kirtana, Kim, have you completed the title, dear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, write it fast. Only the title of block 4 and LP2. Kirtana, have you written? So please do it fast. Kim, enable your video, Kim Mazania.
Yes, ma'am. I'm enabled.
Okay, completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I can see. Yes, Dilshit, did you finish, dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I hope everyone completed, so we can move to the next. Okay, yes, Dilshit, can you read the keyword, Dilshit?
Yes, ma'am. Like fraction.
Yes, like fraction. So we are discussing about like fractions. So let me repeat it again. Rohan, what is like fraction?
Like fraction is the same denominator.
Yeah, very good. Fractions which has same denominator is like fractions. Good, dear. So we are going to do a small activity. we are going to perform addition with diagram. We are going to draw a diagram and then we are going to add it. Okay. Yes. So just look at the screen. So two pictures are here, right? What is the fraction of the shaded part of each rectangle? So how many rectangles are here, Kim Mazania?
Two rectangles.
Yeah, okay, there are two rectangles. So first write the fraction value of first rectangle. Everyone write it in your note. Write the fraction of only the shaded part. The shaded color is green, right? So write the fraction of the shaded part of the first rectangle in your note.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, good. Dilshit completed?
Vaishnavi completed.
Yes, Vaishnavi, well done. Yeah, Jerishwa, very good. Rohan and Kim Mazania. What is the fraction of the shaded part of first rectangle? Rohan completed.
1/4. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Is the answer 1/4, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Did everyone get this answer? Very good. 1/4. Yes, dear. 1/4 is the right answer. And next, what's the fraction of the shaded part of second rectangle?
3/4.
3/4. Is the answer 3/4?
Yes, ma'am.
Did everyone get this? Kim Mazania, did you get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. So 1/4.
Yes,
and
ma'am,
3/4.
I got it.
Yes. So you have written two fractions, right? 1/4 and 3/4. Now, just compare these two fractions and say, how are the rectangles 1 and 2 similar? How these fractions are similar and how it is different, okay? So those who know the answer, you raise your hands. I'll ask one by one. How these...
Ma'am, I know that.
Yes, dear. Yes. Please wait. I ask you to raise your hands, right, Dilshit? What is the difference between these two fractions and what is the similarity? Okay. Yes. So let me ask you, Dilshit first. Yes, Dilshit.
Ma'am, the same is the denominators are same. That is 4/4 and 4. And the
Okay.
numerator, they are different. That is 3 and 3, 1.
1. Yeah, very good, Dilshit. Okay, so this is what Dilshit's answer, right? Okay, good, Dilshit. Good. Well done. And next, same question moves to Rohan. Rohan, how these fractions are different and how these are same?
The denominator are same and the numerator are different. But when
Different.
we added the denominator, we get the answer 4/4.
Yeah, very good, Rohan. Good, very good. Well done. Good observation. Good. So denominators are same and numerators are different. So this is what Rohan's. Okay, so same question moves to Kim Mazania.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, dear.
What question, ma'am?
Are you listening?
Really, I am listening only.
Okay, what is the difference between these two fractions?
One fraction is colored only one. In the second one, they colored 3 of them.
Very good, very good. So this is the good, very good, dear. So first rectangle, one part has colored and second rectangle, 3 parts has colored. Good. Kim Mazania and Vaishnavi.
Yes, ma'am. Again, there are denominators are same. And if we add 3/1, we will get 4 as numerator. Difference that the 1/4 they were colored one part. For 3/4 they colored
3 parts. Yeah, super. Very good, Vaishnavi. Good. 1/4 they colored 1 part. 3/4 they colored 3 parts. Good. And Jerishwa.
Do I need to say similarities or differences?
Both the things.
Okay, ma'am. As the similarities, the denominator is same, and if we flip one of the fractions, we will get the second different, the other one as the answer, and if we flip the other one, we will get the first one as the answer.
Yeah, super. Very good. Super. Very good, Jarishwa. And Daksha.
Ma'am,
I think she joined now. Okay, dear. Okay. So we have two different fractions. So really wonderful students. So as you said, the answer is
can I say it?
yes, Dilshit.
Ma'am, we have the denominator the same as 4 by 4, and if we go up, we should add at and 1.
Mm.
Then we will get us the answer as 4.
4. Yeah, 4. Very good, Dilshit. Very good. Good. Very good.
If we go denominator, if it is 4 by 4 and 4, the answer also should be 4. So the answer also same.
Same. Answer is also same. Good. Very good. So these are the two fractions, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. So as you said, the similarity is the denominator and the differences is the numerator. Okay. So this is what like fractions addition. Okay. So how do you say this is like fraction? Vaishnavi, how do you know these fractions are like fraction?
Because the denominators are same in the two
Fractions. Very good. Because both the fraction have same denominator. And what about the numerator, Daksha? In these two fractions, what are all the numerators are there?
Ma'am, numerators are 3 and 2.
3 and 2. So this is like fraction because the denominators are different. Okay. What about numerator, Kim Mazania? 3 and 2. Is this same or different, Kim Mazania?
It is different.
Different. Super. Very good. So same denominator and different numerators are called like fractions. Okay. So just write it in your note.
Called as like fraction.
Yes, like fraction. These are called like fractions. So the denominator should be same number and the numerator should be different. Or if it is same also, no problem. Okay. So same denominator and different numerators are called like fractions. So write it fast. I'll give 1 minute time. Same denominator and different numerator. Daksha, please mute yourself here. And different denominators are called like fractions. So write it fast.
Complete.
Yeah, super, very good. So I expect everyone should complete before the timer ends, okay? So let's see how many of you will complete before that. But your handwriting should be neat. And don't make any mistakes. Same denominator and different numerators are called like fractions. So 10, very good, very good. 8, very good, very good.
Complete.
Yeah, so timer ends. Is anyone writing there? Everyone completed. Everyone? Daksha, Dilshit, Jarishwa, Keetana, Kim, Rohan, Vaishnavi. Yes. Okay, good. Yeah, really super, dear, super. So everyone completed it, right? Okay, good students, good. So now one of you going to explain how they have added these like fractions, okay? So just look at this. This is the question 3 by 6 plus 5 by, 2 by 6. So they got the answer like this, right? So how you need to solve, okay? So let me ask Daksha to explain. Yes, Daksha.
Ma'am, how that this numerator is called like fraction means the 6 in the new in this
Denominator.
Denominator,
Mm.
uh, the both denominators are 6 and the answer will be also 6.
Okay.
It is same. So
Mm.
they say like the fraction.
Okay. Then how did they get the answer as 5 in the numerator?
Because 3 plus 2 is 5.
5. Super. Very good. Well done, Daksha. Well done. Well done. Super. So since the denominators are same, have to write the same denominator as answer, and we have to add only the numerator. 3 plus 2 is 5. Well done, Daksha. So well explained. So I hope you understood clearly, right? So again, one more example. 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Okay. Yes. So Dilshit will explain now. Yes, Dilshit.
Yes, ma'am. First, we should
Yes.
the sad symbol. No, we should first we should see the two numerator, that is 2 and 4. So we should add 2 and 4, and we will get the answer as 6. Next, we should go to the denominator. The denominator is 9 and 9. So the answer will be 9.
9. Very good. Super. Well done, Dilshit. Well done. So this is what the method for adding like fractions. We have to add only the numerator and should write the same denominator. Okay. But how will you explain with the help of diagram? Okay. So let me give a small question. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So this is very simple, right? Is this hard question?
No, ma'am.
No, this is the easiest question. But we are going to draw diagram. Okay.
And we should first draw a box and then we should cut it into 5 pieces because the denominator is 5, and then we should add 2 and 1, and that's the answer. We should shade the total amount of parts.
Yeah, okay. So as Jerishwa said, first I will draw a box, rectangle. Okay.
We can draw fraction script also.
So this is diagram method. Okay. So you have to draw a rectangle. Within one diagram, you have to explain this addition. Okay. Yes. So I have drawn a rectangle. Okay. Next, look at the first look at the denominator. What is the denominator, Kim Mazania? Kim, what is the denominator?
The denominator is 310.
Denominator. What is the denominator of these fractions? 5. Very good. So denominator is 5. So Kirtana, I have to divide this rectangle into how many parts?
Into 5 parts.
5 parts. Very good. Since the denominator is 5, I have to divide it into 5 equal parts. Okay. So I just divide it into 5 equal parts. Yes, Kirtana, you can mute yourself now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Next, you just look at the numerator of the fractions. Okay. Yes. Rohan, what is the numerator in first fraction?
2 by 5.
2 by 5. So 2 is the denominator. So how many boxes I have to shade, Daksha?
Ma'am, you should shade 2
boxes. Very good. Super. So I will shade like this. Okay. So listen, I will shade like this. 2 boxes I will shade in this manner. Okay. 2 boxes. Yes, I have shaded. Next, look at the numerator of next fraction. So what is the numerator?
We should color 1 after 2 and
yes.
we will got the answer 3 by 5.
Yeah, yes, Vaishnavi. Good, very good. So Dilshit. Okay. What is the numerator in second fraction, Dilshit?
That is 1.
1. So I have to shade 1 box, right?
1 part also.
Yes, you have to differentiate the shading. Okay, just shade like this.
Because means that is 1 of different.
Yes. So this is first fraction. So first fraction 2 parts. Yes, dear. Second fraction 1 by 5. So one part. You have to shade both the fraction in different way. Okay. Now we are going to find the. Yes. So now we are going to find the answer. Okay. Yes. Vaishnavi, how many parts are there in total?
5.
5. That will comes in numerator or denominator? Vaishnavi? Denominator. So again, from the picture
is 5.
5. Yes, from the picture you have to find the total parts and write it in the denominator. And how many parts have shaded here? Rohan?
And 3.
3. So 3
by
you
5.
have to write in Jarishwa. Where you have to write? In numerator or denominator?
And numerator.
Numerator. So 3 by 5. This is the diagram methods. Yes. So is it easy for you? Have you all understood how to draw diagram and solve?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Yes, Kirtana, Kim, everyone. Yes, okay, dear. So now we are going to play a small game. After that, we can continue. Okay. Yes. Are you all ready for the game?
Ready, ma'am?
Yes, ready. So what's the game means? Listen. So I'll use only 3 numbers. 1, 2, and 3. Okay. If I say 1, you have to close your eyes. If I say 2, you have to close your ears.
Yes.
If the number is 3, you have to close your mouth. Okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
It's like a monkey or statues.
Yes, statues. Okay. So let's see your memory power. Okay? Good.
Jackie Chan, ma'am. One monkey will
Okay.
close the eyes, one monkey will close the ears, and the third monkey will
Close the mouth. Yeah. Okay. So now we everyone just change it as monkey. Okay? Yes. Close your eyes for 1. Close your ears for 2. Close your mouth for 3. Okay? So shall we start the game? Okay. Yes. 3. 2. Very good. Kim, you can also do. Kim. 1. 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3. Well done. Good, dear. Good. Really super. So when we play next time, I will say the numbers fast. Okay. Yes. So good try. Good, dear. Good. So now we can move to our class. So please, everyone, mute yourself and solve the first question using diagram method. 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So we solved now, right? Yes. 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Draw as rectangle. So both the fraction you have to show it in the same rectangle. So just shade in different way. Okay. Show the first fraction in one way. Show the second fraction in another way. Just find the answer by using diagram method. Your question is 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7. So let's see who complete first. So you have, after you complete, you have to show your note to me. Okay. I need to check your diagram, how you have drawn. Okay. So shade it in different ways for 4 by 7. But you have to draw only one rectangle. Shade it in different way. For first fraction 4 by 7 and shade it another way for 2 by 7. Finally, look at the total number of parts in the picture. Look at the total shaded parts. Write the numerator and denominator. You will get the fraction. Okay. Yes. So let's see who says answer.
Can we draw with different colors?
Yes, dear. Sure. You can use different colors also.
Okay.
Okay. 4 by 7 plus 2 by 7. Daksha, are you writing? Four by 7 plus 2 by 7. So after complete, show your note.
Completed.
Yes, very good, Rohan. Very good. So show your note, Rohan. I'll check your note. Just move closer to the camera. Yeah, good. Very good. Super. Well done, Rohan. Well done. Excellent. Super. Very good. So Rohan has done correct. Good. And next. So try to show the shaded portion as different for two fractions because we are representing both the fractions in a single diagram. So you need to differentiate that. Dilshit, Jarishwa, Kim, Vaishnavi, Daksha.
Ma'am, I'm nearly going to complete.
Okay, dear. Okay.
Dilshit has finished, ma'am. Can I show it?
Yeah, sure, dear. Sure. Dilshit. Wow, excellent. Very good. Very good, Dilshit. Very good. Super. Dilshit completed and your diagram is very neat. Very good. Super. Nice. Okay. So I'll expect everyone will complete now.
Ma'am, I'm on the last.
Yes, dear. Yes.
Did you see my answer?
Show it. I checked your diagram. Your diagram is right. It's not clear, Dilshit.
Ma'am, my answer is 6 by 7.
No. Wait. Okay, that's why I asked you to show your notes, Dilshit. Okay, yes. So we will discuss after everyone completes. Okay, good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Okay, Jarishwa. Yes, Jarishwa, you can show your note. Yeah, good, very good. Super. Nice. So he used different colors to differentiate two fractions. Well done. Good. So still Vaishnavi, Kim and Daksha needs to complete. So Kim completed. Vaishnavi, Daksha.
I'm adding that.
Okay. And Vaishnavi.
Ma'am, I am nearly going to finish it.
Yeah. Just do it fast.
Ma'am, I have completed. Can I show my diagrams?
Yes, Vaishnavi. Yes.
You like this itself.
Yes. Vaishnavi, just show your note.
Ma'am, I have shown, ma'am.
How many rectangles you have used?
I have used for one question. I have for question 2 by 5 and 1 by 5. I use one rectangle, and 4 by 7 and 2 by 7.
Okay, show it. So the purple color is for second question, right? Yeah, good. Very good. Super, Vaishnavi. So you have solved 2 questions. Very good, Vaishnavi. Good. And Daksha and Kimmazania, are you ready with the answers? Okay. Yes, dear. So almost everyone completes. So now we can discuss the answer. Okay. So this is the answer for 2 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So since the first numerator is 2, we have to shade 2 boxes of one color, and the second numerator is 1. So you need to use the next box of different color. Then you have to count the total number of shaded part, that is 3, and total part, that is 5. That will give the answer. We discussed already, and this is what you did. So I hope everyone got this answer, right? 6 by 7. So I have checked your answers. So really wonderful, students. Your diagram as well as the answer, both are right. So I hope you are clear how to solve these questions. Yes? Is it easy adding like fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everyone?
Easy to do.
Yeah, super, very good. So what you have to do? You have to.
Also it is very easy. Today
Yes.
also it is very easy.
Yes, dear, very good. So there will be 2 fractions, right? So first fraction, first you have to shade. In addition to the first, you need to add the numerator of second fraction. You have to use different colors so you can get the answer easily. Okay. So now I call yes, Dilshit to explain how to add like fraction. Yes, Dilshit.
Yes, ma'am. Light fraction means, ma'am, I should say like a diagram or.
You just explain the procedure. What will you do?
Yes, ma'am. If the question whole.
You want question also? Oh, okay. I will give one question. I explain this question, Dilshit.
Ma'am, if the question is 1 by 5 and the 2 by 5, we should first add this symbol, that is add symbol means we should see add and 1 and 2. Then we will get the answer as 3. If the denominator is 5 and 5, the answer also will be the 5.
Yes, very good, very good. Super. Good explanation, Dilshit. Very good. So, Daksha, just explain the same questions. Yes, Daksha.
Ma'am, there is 4 by 7 plus 2
So, can you explain the same question? 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. What is the first fraction, Daksha?
Ma'am, first 1 by 5. 1 by 5.
And 2 by 5 is the second fraction, right? Yes, very good, Daksha. Very good. Yes. Next, Rohan, can you explain the same question here? 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5. Rohan.
The question 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5, we should add the numerator.
Very good. What about denominator then?
If the denominator is same, we should not add a denominator. And 1 plus 2 is 3. And 5 by 5 is 10. But we should not add the numerator. So the answer is 3 by 5.
Yeah, very good. Super, Rohan. Super. I think now Daksha is ready to explain. Yes, Daksha, proceed.
Yes, ma'am. The 1 by 5, that one.
Yes, you can see the screen, right? I ask you to explain the question.
Yes, ma'am. First, in the denominator, they return us 5. So, we don't need to plus it. Directly put 5. In numerator, there is 1 and 2. This is not the same number. So, we should plus.
Yes.
1 plus 2 as 3.
Yeah, very good. Very good, Daksha. Super. Very good. Kim Mazania. Yes, Daksha, you can mute yourself now.
Yes,
Kim?
ma'am.
Yes, can you explain this question? How to add like fraction?
We should add,
Hmm.
first we should add the denominator for
Should
this.
we need to add denominator, Kim?
No.
Ah.
We should only add
Hmm.
the first one.
Numerator.
The numerator only we should add. In the second one, we should, when they are same, we should write like 5.
Yes, we have to write the same 5. Okay, good, Kim Mazania. Okay, students, I hope you know how to add like fraction. So these are all few examples. So whatever the question may be, check the denominator. If it is same, write the same thing. Just perform the operation only in the numerator and get the answers. Okay, so these are all the examples. Now just solve this question. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6. So no need to draw the diagram. 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6 is?
3 by 6.
3 by 6. Yeah, very good. 3 by 6. So because 6 is the denominator, write the same. And the numerators you have to add. 1 plus 2 is 3. Well done, dear. Well done. So still now we have solved the problems, right? By drawing the diagram. Here they have given the diagram. You have to form the question. Will you do it, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So the shadeds are different, right? So first 2 parts shaded in one way and next 2 parts are shaded in different way. So write the question, count the total parts, write the answer. So just try to write addition sentence, the question, adding 2 fractions. Completed. Well done. Good, Jarishwa. Good. Very good. Super. So write the addition sentence like 1 plus 2 equal to 3, right? Similarly, write 2 fractions for questions and just write down the answers also by looking at this diagram. So this, yeah, super. Very good, Dilshit. So Dilshit and Jarishwa. So just check your answers once, dear. Okay.
The screen is black. Ma'am, I was color in my answer, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Good, Dilshit. Good. Very good. Next, Rohan, Vaishnavi, Kim, please do it fast. So just look at completed. Very good, Rohan. Very good. So you have to write the addition sentence alone. No need to draw the diagram. Just write down the addition sentence. So I hope Dilshit, Jarishwa, Rohan completed. So Vaishnavi, Daksha, Kim are doing good.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes, she also completed. Good, dear. Yes, Kim Mazania, did you finish?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so just make it fast. Daksha, what about you?
Ma'am, the screen is black.
Okay, so please mute yourself. Just leave and join again. It will be okay. Write the addition sentence. So Kim, I'll give 30 seconds. Please do it fast. And I will be discussing the answer afterwards. Okay, dear. So now we can discuss the answer. So what is the fraction for first? They have shaded 2 parts, right? Yes, Dilshit, can you say the first fraction?
Yes, ma'am. The first fraction is 2 by 6.
2 by 6. Okay, very good. 2 by 6 plus. Jarishwa, what is the next fraction?
2 by 6.
Again, 2 by 6 plus 2 by 6. Good, very good. And Rohan, what's your answer?
4 by 6.
4 by 6. So Vaishnavi, did you write the addition sentence like this? Yes, very good. That's what the right answer. Super, students. Well done. 2 by 6. first two parts. So numerator is 2. Since the total number of parts is 6, denominator is 6. Again, 2 more parts they have shaded. 2. Again 2. Again, total number of parts is 6. Total shaded part is 4. That is the answer in numerator, and 6 is the denominator. Well done, students. Well done. Good. So this is what? Again, one more example. How to add like fractions. So same denominator, add numerator and write it as numerator. Okay. Again, same denominator, add the numerator and write it as numerator. Yes, dear. So now we can move to the worksheet. So after the worksheet, we can do the activity. Okay. So just
The worksheet is very easy.
yeah, super dear. Very good. So take page number 23. Write today's date. Page number 23. So first question. Tick the picture that shows like fractions. So you have to select which is like fractions. Before that, you can write the fraction of each picture. Then it will be easier to guess which is like fraction, right? Okay. So Kim Mazania, what is the fraction value of first picture? Kim Mazania?
The first value is 4.
I didn't ask the answer. I just asked what is the fraction of first picture. What is the fraction value?
1 5.
1 by
5.
1 by 5. Yeah, very good, very good. And Vaishnavi, what's the fraction of second diagram?
Second diagram fraction is 3 by 5.
Yes, 3 by 5. So we need to check these are like fractions or not. Daksha, what type of fraction is this? Is this like fraction? 1 by 5 and 3 by 5?
No, ma'am, it is unlike fraction. Yes, ma'am, like fraction.
Yeah, this is like fraction. So we have to tick. Super. Well done, students. Well done. Similarly, Rohan, what's the fraction of B question? First picture. Yeah, Daksha, you can mute yourself now, please.
3 by 6.
3 by 6. Okay, good. And Jerishwa, second diagram. What is the fraction value?
Ma'am, 9 by 12.
9 by 12.
Ma'am, 3 by 12.
3 by 12. Okay. So now we need to analyze these two fractions. Is this like fractions? Vaishnavi?
These are unlike fraction.
Yes, this is unlike fraction. Good, very good. Then look at the
Because the
picture.
numerator are same.
But what is the definition of like fraction? You have written in your note, Rohan.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, very good. Look at the picture and solve the fraction. Okay. So two fractions are here. 5 by 12 plus 6 by 12. What is the answer, Daksha?
Ma'am, 5 by 8.
5 by 12 plus 6 by 12. What is the answer?
Ma'am, in the numerator, the answer is 11.
11, numerator. Okay. Denominator?
Denominator, the answer is 12. Because
12.
In the all the numerator, all the denominators are 12. So only.
12. Super. Very good, Daksha. Super. Very good. Very good. Next, solve the problem. Divide and shade the rectangle. So as we discussed in the activity section, same thing. One rectangle was here. You need to draw the picture for both the fractions and we need to get the answer, right? Okay, good. So Rohan, how many parts I have to divide this rectangle?
We should draw.
So these are all the fraction value. 5 by 8 plus 2 by 8.
Yes, ma'am. We should draw 7 boxes.
7 boxes, but there is no number like 7 in there.
8 boxes.
8 boxes, very good. We need to divide it into 8 equal boxes. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, very good, Rogan. Very good. And Vaishnavi, for the first fraction 5 by 8, how many parts I need to shade in this diagram?
5.
5. So I'll shade 5 parts. Very good, dear. 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Good. And next, for the second fraction, Jarishwa, how many parts I need to shade?
We need to shade 2 parts.
Yes, I need to shade 2 more parts. I'll shade in different way. Okay. Yes, 2 parts. Okay, good. Yes. So now we have to count the number of shaded part and total parts, right? Okay. Yes. So Kim Mazania, look at the diagram and say the numerator and denominator.
Yes, ma'am. Numerator is 7.
Very good. Denominator
And
is?
in the 8.
Yeah, super, very good. Numerator is 7 and denominator is 8. Well done. And next question. Look at the shaded parts to find the fractions and write the number sentence. Okay. So you are going to write the addition sentence by seeing this diagram. Okay. So they have shaded using different colors, 2 different colors for 2 different fractions. So let me ask to Vaishnavi. What is the first fraction, Vaishnavi?
3 by 8.
Yeah, very good. 3 by 8 is the first fraction. Good. And look at the second color. Rohan, what is the second fraction, Rohan?
2.
2 by
8.
8. Very good. 2 by 8. And Daksha, what will be the answer for this question?
For question, the answer is 5 by 8.
5 by 8. Very good, students. Very good. So we have completed the addition sentence also. Yes, dear. So only this much is today's topic. So now we can move to the activity part. Okay. Yes. So I'll ask one by one. Okay. So to whom I am asking, they have to answer. So first question is 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Okay. Jarishwa, 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8.
8 by 8.
8 by 8. That's the right answer. Good. Very good. Very good. And next, Kim Mazania. Fractions have different denominator. What type of fraction is that? Is that like fraction or unlike fraction?
Unlike.
Unlike. Excellent. Very good. That is unlike fraction. Good. And next question. Rohan. Fractions have same denominator. What type of fractions is that?
Like fraction.
Like fraction. Excellent. Super. Very good. And next question moves to Vaishnavi.
Ma'am.
We need to add the denominator also. Am I right, Vaishnavi? True or false?
False.
False. That is the right answer. Super, students. So we have discussed the worksheet also. So I'll send the homework in Google Classroom. Okay. Lesson 2, first 3 questions. So have you all understood clearly about this topic, adding like fractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, dear. Okay, very good. So complete your homeworks earlier and send